I'm installing a gazebo to concrete. Are concrete screws or wedge anchors better for this?
Welcome, my name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. I assume you mean lag shields/anchors when you say wedge anchors. You're probably better off with TapCons, concrete screws. They are easier to use and hold just as well when it comes to lateral or uplift loads like you would encounter in a gazebo. Either one will work okay. I'd use TapCons.
They are actually called wedge anchors. You drill the hole, tap them in with a hammer, and 3 to 5 turns of the nut create the wedge inside the concrete, making it difficult to come out. I have heard that concrete can be damaged buty the anchor and fail over time. Is this true?
Only if you put them too close together, which may be necessary for your gazebo. The other consideration is corrosion. We use similar anchors all the time, but never outdoors on a surface where water could collect/infiltrate. I'd still use TapCons. TapCons are corrosion resistant, anchors are not unless you can find stainless steel ones, which I've never seen.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.